So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can post on X, formerly Twitter. So first of all, open your X application and then guys tap on plus option which is available in the right side, and then tap on post option. Then friends, write your post which you want to post on X, like for example, I want to post this. And friends, if you want to use any image or video in your post, so for this tap on this option which is available there and select your image or video, like I select this. And then friends, or guys, if you want to tag people on your post, you can also tag by tap on tag people. And friends, if you want to add location in your post, you can also add location. And guys, if you want to use any hashtag, so for this simply type this and type your hashtag like this friends, and you can also use hashtag in your post. So friends, as you complete your post, then tap on post option. So friends, after tapping on post option, wait a few seconds or minute, and guys, then your post will be posted on X. So friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.